I'm Ratna Bhushan, a friend, motivator, and guide to IAS aspirant, international motivational speaker, leadership trainer, CEO, coach, political strategist, and policy advisor. Welcome to ASGIS. ASGIS believe in quality, commitment, and success. Join our Success Foundation course. We are discussing about the General Studies Mains Paper 1997. Part 3rd. Question is, what are the provisions regarding the protection of linguistic minorities in the Constitution? What are the provisions regarding the protection of linguistic minorities in the Constitution? Under Part 3rd of the Constitution, Article 29 provides for the right to conserve language, script, or culture to the linguistic minority as a fundamental right. In the same part, Article 30 provides right of establishment and administration of educational institution of their own choice. Apart from these fundamental rights, Article 350 requires the President to appoint a specialized officer for protection of interest of linguistic minorities and right to the President recommendation required for that. This report is presented to Parliament. All these provisions aim at upliftment and protection of their interest. Write about the chief features of the following. Usually earlier in UPSC 20 words comes, 20 words. Chaitya. What is Chaitya? Chaitya is basically Gautam Buddha temples, Buddha's temple related to Buddhism. There is a big hall with many pillars, sometimes with engraved stones. Chaitya of Maurya period were made of wood, and Chaitya's main purpose was for the worship. Vijayanagar art. Vijayanagar, which was founded by Hariharan Bukka in 1337, famous for their art. Their capital was Hampi. Vijayanagar art is a Dravid style with the chief features of the temples like Garbhagriha, Gopuram, and newly introduced Amman and Kalyan Mandap. Amman and Kalyan Mandap were prominent. Yakshagan. It is a Karnataki drama form. Yakshagan, Karnataki drama form. This religious drama involves bodily movements as the main medium of expression. Khayal. In the Hindustani music, khayal means imagination. It's a very popular vocal style. It's a four main style called gharanas. Khayal was originated by Amir Khusro, the greatest Persian poet, Amir Khusro. Four gharanas: Gwalior Gharana, Agra Gharana, Kirana Gharana, and Patiala Gharana. Lalit Kala Academy. It was established in 1954 to promote Indian art in India and abroad through research, exhibition, programs, and publication. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Established in 1867 in Pune by M.G. Ranade, Atmaram Pandurang, and others to act as a mediator between the people and the government. Rowlatt Act. For this act, there is a 3-act. Word is famous: no appeal, no vakil, no dalil. This act was passed in 1919, which vested the government with the power to imprison any Indian prosecution. It came to be known as Black Act. August Declaration 1917. Montague, the Secretary of State, declared on 20th August 1917 that the government wanted to increase participation of Indians in administration and develop self-government and progressive responsible government as an integral part of British Empire. Surat, located on the Gujarat coast, it was the place of first factory of British in India and associated with the Congress split in 1907. British established their first factory in 1613. Vaikom, Vaikom. It is in Kerala associated with the socio-religious movement of temple entry under the leadership of K.P. Keshav Menon. Midnapur. After the Battle of Plassey to get Nawabship, Mir Qasim gifted the Britishers with the Jamidari of Midnapur along with Bardhaman, Chittagaon, district of Bengal. Mir Qasim became the Nawab of Bengal 1657 to 60. In 1942, a communal government was established here. Shyamji Krishna Verma. Shyamji Krishna Verma. These are the famous personalities. Shyamji Krishna Verma. He constituted India Home Rule Society in London in 1905, which was known as India House, and published a monthly Indian sociologist. Rani Gadinliu. She played a major role in civil disobedience movement. Rani Gadinliu, a Naga women leader who led the Naga movement after Jadunang. She was arrested and was released after independence. Mr. Nehru gave her the title of Queen of Nagas. Saifuddin Kichlu, an associate of Gandhiji in Satyagraha movement. As a barrister of defended Delhi and Meerut conspiracy, the first Indian laureate to win Stalin Peace Prize in 1954, Saifuddin Kichlu, and he was arrested during the Rowlatt Act in Amritsar. Dr. Nivedita Bhasin, she was the disciple of Swami Vivekananda. This lady from Ireland was the first Western country woman to get into Mutt. Dr. Nivedita Bhasin. The next question is, describe the recent significant development in Sino-Russian relation. How have the Russia people reacted to this development? So already we have given and discussed this question. What is the Taliban movement? What is Taliban movement? How has it influenced the geopolitical equation in Asia? Taliban is a militia group with the back of Pakistan. It is made of young students and aims to establish a hardcore fundamentalist Islamic government in Afghanistan and to convert the nation into a Sharia-based governance system. Taliban is equipped and trained by Pakistan. Its militant activities in Afghanistan leading to capture of Kabul in September 1996 created a widespread political influence about the instability of democracy in Afghanistan. Even after the UN intervention and attempts, the situation have not been in control. Due to this political instability and civil war in Afghanistan, neighboring countries in Asia have been concerned about the changes. As a peace in the continent can allow development, all nations of Asia have the interest in peace of Afghanistan except those which want such instability to exist. What is the Pathfinder mission? What was the Pathfinder by mission? What were its main findings? Pathfinder was a discovery mission on Mars by NASA, prepared at the cost of $280 billion. It launched a single vehicle with a micro rover, Sojourner, and several instruments on the surface of Mars in 1997. It was to investigate the surface of Mars with three-dimensional additional science instrument IMP, APXS, and ASI MET. The mission landed on July 4, 1997 was aimed at the examination that would allow first-order scientific investigation of the early differentiation and evolution of crust, the development of weathering products and early environments and conditions that have existed in Mars. Main findings of Pathfinder. The mission gathered 16,000 images and IS chemical analysis of rocks and intensive data on winds and other factors from Mars. It proved that Martian dust includes magnetic composite particles with a mean size of 1 micron. It is evidence of wind abrasion of rocks and dune-shaped deposits that were found on Mars, indicating the presence of sand. Rock site distribution was consisting with a flood-related deposit. Thank you.